Hello and welcome to today's class on Ajwaini fish Amritsari. These are the ingredients that we need. Take the fish fillet, add some salt and some lime juice and mix it. Then add the spices, some red chili, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, some ajwain, and some gram flour. This helps in binding all the ingredients. Gram flour is locally called besan. Then set this aside for 30 minutes, let it rest. We always half fry the fish first, then after giving it some rest we again fry it. This will make the fish crispier, and interestingly, the second time when you fry the fish, it does not absorb much oil. So the taste is crispier and yet the fish retains all its juices. We hope you liked today's recipe. Try it and let us know how it is. Happy cooking!